All right, the big story is also the fact that after languishing in prison for 5 months, Captain Sunil James' family has been released. We are getting the first reaction also coming in from the MEA.
Last night, the Indian High Commissioner in Accra, Mr. Jeeva Sagar, informed me that he was in Togo, and after discussions with the President of Togo, the two Indian sailors, Captain Sunil James and Mr. Vijayan, had been released. We are making arrangements for their return to India at an early date. We hope that they will be reunited with their families. It's been a difficult journey for all of them, and we are grateful for the support and the effort made by everybody concerned in this matter. We hope that Captain Sunil James will be reunited with his family latest by tomorrow morning.
I'm really very happy about it. It just come as a surprise to us. Till yesterday we were wondering whether he'll be able to come or not. And today morning we get this news that he has been released. It's a big relief for all of us. It's basically relief for all of us. I'm hoping it's a permanent release because we haven't been informed otherwise. I mean, we have not been told it's temporary. So I'm assuming if not told, then I'm assuming it's a permanent release. It has been a very tough fight from starting of it till 5 months. But I'm happy finally it's come to an end. It gives a hope to a lot of people that, you keep on fighting and one day a fight will come to an end. And in our case, after we met the PM, things have actually fast-tracked for us, and the PMO's office have put in their best efforts to get Sunil out. So I'm very thankful to them for that, and it's been a tough time for all of us.
It's a big relief. We are thinking that, Vivan we couldn't save. God has its say. But at least for Sunil we saved a life. We were very worried about his life when he was there because he lost his child. He was in the jail for 6 months without any fault. It's a huge relief that somewhere human spirit has triumphed. Our fight, the media's help, the government of India, the people of India, all have stood by us and our family, and we've won this battle. For his release at our end in India, we met the PMO himself through Mr. Aslam Sheikh and through Mr. Sanjay Nirupam, who took us to the Prime Minister of India. We met him last Tuesday at around between 10 to 11. That's how we did. Media backed us completely. We did peace marches. Our family and friends stood by us. And all that has worked for us. We want him to hold Vivan. We want him to mourn. We want him to feel the loss because that's a human emotion. We were fighting for the battle that he was stuck in jail and he could not even do that. So we want him to come and feel the loss, stand by Aditi. She's not yet completely mourned Vivan's loss. So we are looking forward for it. Today, 8 o'clock in the morning, we got a barrage of calls from the media, and that's when my sister was talking to Mr. Saeed Asruddin from the MEA, and he confirmed that he has been released. A lot of media people confirmed. Then around 8:30, 8:45, I got a call from the PMO's office confirming the release.
So the family, they're visibly very happy after the news that they've heard today morning. In fact, remember, the MEA has been in constant touch with the Togo authorities, and it was the MEA which broke this news to the family early this morning. Let's once again listen in to Saeed Akbaruddin. Also, we'll get you that reaction from the MEA. We also have the mother of Sunil James now reacting. Let's listen into that first.
वो दुख तो दुनिया को मालूम है, हम सबके लिए सबसे बड़ा जिंदगी का दुख है। और सुनील अटका पड़ा था, वो भी एक इक्वली बहुत बड़ा दुख था। लेकिन आज जब सुनील के आने की हमने खबर सुनी तो मैं जिंदगी का जिंदगी में थोड़ी खुशी तो महसूस हुई, और सबसे ज़्यादा ये लगा कि वो अपने बेटे को सुला सकेंगे चैन से, वो भी अपने बेटे को आखिरी बार दे सकेंगे। एटलीस्ट उसको जिंदगी का थोड़ा एक सुकून मिलेगा।
क्या लगा था कि सुनील कभी छूट पाएंगे? क्या उम्मीद की थी, ऐसा लगा था कि ये छूट जाएंगे?
उम्मीद तो थी कभी ना कभी छूटेंगे, क्योंकि उनका कोई कसूर नहीं था। बस वो इंक्वायरी के लिए थे या जो भी थे, उनके अगेंस्ट कोई भी एविडेंस भी नहीं था। पर कब छूटेंगे वो नहीं मालूम था, और ऐसे छूट के आएंगे कि बेटा चला गया और उसको मिलने के लिए आज आखिरी बार आ रहे हैं।